What's up guys, Anthony here, back with another video, and today we are going to talk about the Razer Kraken X, the mini Razer Kraken and the Kraken Tournament Edition. So this costs somewhere around $60, actually my bad, $50, and it is in my opinion the best headset for that price. From the packaging, we can see that it's got 7.1 surround sound and a bendable microphone and ultra light comfort with memory foam cushions, and I can confirm the cushions are really soft. Once again, the similar specs, and then 40mm drivers, hidden indented eyewear, and on headset controls. On the back of the case, we see the same information again, the 40mm drivers and the on headset controls like the mute button and the audio volume buttons. Then the ultralight cushions, the microphone, and the adjustable headband. Let's dive into the box. So the unboxing experience has been kind of a roller coaster of emotions. So when you open it up, you can see for gamers by gamers, and then the first things you see in the box are the 7.1 surround sound activation key and the Razer Kraken X user guide. Next up in the box is the headset. This is what we're here for. I have to say the unboxing has been kind of an utter disappointment because of this plain brown cardboard. I did not expect a plain brown cardboard, but we are here for the product, not the unboxing overall. Although they could have at least colored it. It's a bit of a struggle to get these things out. So on the back, you see the headset. They added a little bit of foam right here to protect the ear cushions and the other parts of the headset that are visible. And then when we remove this black area, we can find the divider cable to divide the microphone and the headset from, for a PC. Next up, we pull out the headset. Finally, this is what the headset looks like, and yeah, so this is a very light headset. This is the fact that it's so light is the main reason why I enjoy it so much, and the cushions are incredibly soft. The memory foam is definitely noticeable here. It's not as flexible as other headsets, and the ear cups, they only move up and down, not back and forth, which may be a negative thing for people that do not have the head shape that these are designed for, but in my case they fit perfectly over my head, to be honest. And next thing we can see are the mute unmute button. So when it's muted, it kind of pops out and you can see the red coloring, and the volume controls. Honestly, I forget I even have the volume controls, but I guess they are nice to have. I would prefer if they were on the cable, so that way I can see if I have myself muted or not, because I cannot see this when I'm wearing 3.5mm jack cable with an angled gold plated jack, and that's pretty much it for the cable. The microphone, on the other hand, is okay. It's flexible, and sadly you cannot push it back in, or it's not even detachable, so that may interfere with some people. I don't use it, so I just tilt it back this way and I don't even see it, but it would be better if it was removable, or at least if you could push it back in. The headband is incredibly soft too, and on the top you can see the embedded Razer logo. That's all I have to say about the design of this headset. Let's do a mic test.
So this is what the microphone sounds like. It is a basic audio. There is no editing on it. So this is what you will sound like if you talk with it. And I have to say it's an okay sound. It is nothing too over the top. It's not bad either. And another thing I forgot to mention in the video that I did earlier, the noise canceling on this headset is just immaculate. I can barely hear a thing around me, especially when I crank up the volume. I can't hear anything.
After I did the mic test, I listened to some music, and I have to say I am blown away by the quality of this headset. Usually gamer headphones have kind of a weird sound. They don't really have that bass in them, but this particular headset has a very balanced sound. The lows are good, the mids are good, and the highs are good. Unlike one of the previous headsets that I reviewed, which was all bass, this one is in a perfect balance. I have to say the sound is incredible. So overall, for the price, I can say that these are the best headsets for $50. You get a high quality headset, and you have a very soft ear cushion with a very soft headband. They're incredibly light, great audio, and that's pretty much what you're looking for in a gaming headset or any headset overall. I would definitely buy these again. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.